Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is natural, stylish and full of confidence. You don't need to hide it, you can make it your best feature. Let's explore some simple and elegant grey hairstyles. First, the short pixie cut. This is a very popular and easy hairstyle. It is short, light and simple to manage. A pixie cut gives a fresh and modern look and saves time every day. Next is the grey bob haircut. A bob cut is always in fashion. It frames your face nicely and gives a soft and classy look. You can keep it straight or add layers for more volume. Another great option is the layered grey hair. Layers help your hair look fuller and more lively. This is very helpful if your hair is thin. It gives a soft and youthful appearance. Now let's talk about shoulder length grey haircut. This length is perfect if you don't want very short hair. You can leave it open, tie it or style it with soft waves. The soft curls hairstyle is also a lovely idea. Soft curls make your hair look shiny and full of life. It adds beauty without much effort. Another simple and elegant look is straight grey hair. This style looks neat and polished. It is perfect for daily wear and special occasions. Let's not forget the low bun hairstyle. A low bun is a classic and graceful look. It keeps your hair neat and looks very elegant. The short shaggy cut is also very trendy. It gives a relaxed and natural style. It is easy to manage and perfect for everyday use. You can also try side bangs or front flares. They make your face look softer and add a stylish touch. Now here are a few simple tips. Keep your hair moisturized with oil or conditioner. Use a gentle shampoo for soft and shiny hair. Trim your hair regularly to maintain the shape. Close a hairstyle that is easy and comfort for you. Grey hair is a sign of beauty and confidence. Wear it proudly and enjoy your natural look. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas. You can enjoy my videos. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in the video. Stylish women grey haircut ideas for women over 50 you can see. Every design is different one another and beautiful and attractive. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.